Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be very short and sweet, so please stick with me. So basically today I'm going to show you how you can open the Power Query and use the Excel at the same time. You may know or not know that we can't do this normally. Let me show you what I mean. So basically when you open the Excel and you launch the Power Query, and when you try to open any other file, you can't open it and you get this message. I'm going to show you how you can overcome this problem and open any other file and use it normally. So I'm going to show you two methods basically. The first one is, once you go the Excel open, you hold down your Alt key on your keyboard and right click on the Excel icon and click on the Excel again while holding the key. And you will get this message. Do you want to start a new instance of Excel? And you press yes. And voila. Now you go new instance of Excel and you can open this file here. Like so. You can use this file and do whatever with it and use the Power Query as well at the same time. So this is the one way to do it. The other way I'm gonna show you is, so let's say you go the Excel icon on your desktop, you right click on it, go to show more options, go to properties, and you have to look for the target, go to the end of this path, put space and /x, apply and OK. And when you're going to open it, is going to open the new instance of Excel by default. You see, and you can open any file there. Yeah, there are a few other ways to do this, but I just want to show you these two, which are, I think, quite easy to do. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe and see you in the next one.